Differences and similarities between serpentine belt and timing belt. The serpentine belt has V-type grooves, whereas the timing belt has specially designed teeth. The V-grooves prevent slipping under high-load conditions, while the teeth on the timing belt maintain precise synchronization. Serpentine belts and timing belts serve different purposes in your vehicle. The serpentine belt, also known as a drive belt, transfers power from crankshaft to various components like alternators, power steering pumps, and air conditioning compressors. On the other hand, the timing belt is responsible for synchronizing the rotational motion between the camshaft and crankshaft, ensuring precise timing of engine valve movements. Both serpentine and timing belts rely on tensioners and idler pulleys. These components ensure proper pressure and engagement of teeth, preventing slipping for the serpentine belt and maintaining synchronization for the timing belt. Both the serpentine belt and timing belt are positioned on the side of the engine. This is because they derive their power from the engine's crankshaft. The timing belt transfers motion to the camshaft, while the serpentine belt routes power to components like the alternator and AC compressor. Both the serpentine belt and timing belt are crafted from rubber. However, the timing belt uses a specific high-tensile strength fiber material known as highly saturated nitrile. This ensures durability and optimal performance. A failed serpentine belt results in a loss of power to vital components like the alternator and power steering pump. In contrast, a failed timing belt can be catastrophic for the engine, potentially causing permanent damage due to misalignment between engine valves and pistons. Replacing a serpentine belt is relatively straightforward and can be a DIY task. In contrast, the complexity of maintaining synchronization makes timing belt replacement a task best left to those with proper knowledge and skills. Serpentine belts are more budget-friendly, typically costing between $100 and $150, depending on the make and model. Timing belts, with their specific requirements, can be more expensive, ranging from $250 to $350. If you like the video, kindly subscribe.